Nakatakdang bususin ng Pangulong Benigno Simeon Cojuangco Aquino III ang mga policy na kasalukuyang pinaiiral ng Armed Forces of the Philippines hinggil sa human rights at mga programa kaugnay sa internal at external security operations ng hukbo ngayong araw na ito ng Lunes. Ayon kay AFP spokesman and concurrent AFP Civil Relations Service Commander Brigadier General Jose Mabanta, ito ang magiging kauna-unahang pagkakataon na magsasagawa ng formal command conference ang Pangulong Aquino sa AFP base sa nalatag na programa ng nakalipas na administrasyon. Nabatid pa kay Mabanta na bibigyan nila ng update si Pinoy hinggil sa kasalukuyang status ng AFP, mga programa kaugnay sa mga plano hinggil sa AFP modernization. Subalit tututukan din ng Pangulo ang ikinakasang campaign plan ng hukbong sandatahan laban sa terorismo, insurgency at rebellion, partikular na laban sa Communist Party of the Philippines, New People's Army.
To update the President on the present status of the armed forces, its facilities, its personnel, and then, of course, the Philippine Army, the Philippine Navy, and the Philippine Air Force the commanders would be ready to brief. No? Aside from that, he may be asking about yung status of the cases filed in relation to, alam niyo, yung mga those who were involved in rebellion. Aside from yung cases filed against our men, yung sa Morong 43. No? We have a very short briefing for him, but we are ready to answer whatever questions he may ask. So all of the J staff, even the unified commanders will be present.
Si Brigadier General Jose Mabanta, RH 911, Ping Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.